Path play.
Part play. Part play.
Path play. Path play.
Part play.
Path play. Path play.
Pathway.
Path play. So thank you Pathways for a wonderful creative treat, if I may say, a long deserving break, and what a fun way to come back to school. So best of luck and lots more of such events.
Thank you so much, Pathways, for inviting us for this session. It's wonderful to meet all the other parents here. And
We are so glad to see so many people in the out and people are enjoying themselves. I think it has been 2.5 years since we were all caged, and it's wonderful to see parents and teachers.
I'm not an artist, but I'm trying my hands on. I don't know what am I making, but let me try to make something beautiful. Thank you so much for this time.
it was my first time at Path Play, and I must say that it was a brilliant experience. I felt like a child.
I feel so good to be part of Path Play. I'm really enjoying each of the activity, canvas painting and pottery. It is really a meditation and a therapy, good therapy. I would like to thank Pathways for inviting us to do such a beautiful gesture. I mean, it's been a really long time that I got this child out in myself. A very big thank you to Pathways School. It has actually got the painter out of me. I'm doing this after a long time.
Thank you so much for connecting us with this parent pot and play, and it's a wonderful experience. Never ever have done anything. I guess I'm 50 plus and I'm holding the brush in my hand for the first time.
Thank you to Pathways for organizing this. It's so good and feels so normal to be back. This more than anything else is making me feel like the world can go back to normal.
Now I'm doing it after so long. I'm feeling so nice. I'm feeling so relaxed. And thanks to Pathways for this, giving us this opportunity.
Hey, I'm doing this for the first time, and I feel really good.
I'm doing this for the first time. Really fun doing this. I'm really enjoying it.
Thank you, Pathways, for doing this. I'm so happy that Path Play has now finally become a reality. It's so lovely to see parents on campus and enjoying themselves. Makes you want to get your hands dirty as well.
So Path Play has been a grand success today with a lovely outdoor lunch followed by art workshop. You can see the parents are doing a lovely artwork and also pottery. So therapeutic for the parents in terms of art and pottery. Thank you so much for the team for organizing this.